everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and there is a great news, there is a interesting news, and there is a big news here. So, friends, IT companies are going to hire 4.5 lakhs IT employees in the next financial year. That means 2022. Friends, I know many of you did not get placed this year. Many of you had issues, right, when you were writing the examination. So there were a lot of combinations, I would say, and because of that you are not able to get into the IT companies. So now that opportunity is in front of you. So you can see I was just going through the Google and then I saw, so 4.5 lakhs IT employees will be hired by TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL. So watch the video till the end, because I'll be telling you a lot of thing, how to prepare, when to prepare, all those things. And friends, in 2021, if you'll see, more than 2.5 lakhs, okay, more than 2.5 lakhs employees were hired. Okay, more than 4.5 lakhs freshers were hired. Okay, now, so I will take you through the credible resources like Times of India, Economics Times. Okay, so these are the credible resources which will give you the correct information. So war on talent is real. Indian IT firms to hire 4 lakhs 50,000 in second half of financial year 2022. Okay, so with schools and colleges reopening amid strict COVID protocols, IT companies too are calling back employees to their office as majority of the pandemic imposed restrictions have now been lifted. According to the market intelligence, okay, form, you can see the form name is given, the Indian Information Technology Services industry is likely to see a gross employees addition of around for 4 lakhs 50,000 people in the second half of financial year 2022. These hires are largely laterals experienced employees through the intake of fresher in way more than what it was last year. So last year around 2.5 lakhs freshers were hired. So this year definitely, so out of 4 lakhs 50,000, you can say if 50,000 there is a lateral hiring, but still 4 lakhs fresher hiring will be there. Okay, so in fresher hiring in 2022, the top 5 companies are likely to be Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, which will hire 77,000 freshers. Okay, so friends, TCS is going to hire 77,000 freshers in next year. Okay, 43 hired in first half of 2022 and plus 34,000 in second half of 2022. So friends, TCS will be hiring 77,000, okay, in the coming 2022, and in the first half 43,000, you can see. So 43,000 hiring will be happening in the first quarter of, I mean the first half, not quarter. So first 6 months of the 2022, and 34,000 in definitely 2022. Okay, now in the second half, that means in between June to December. And then Cognizant, which has said that it will hire 45,000 freshers. Infosys will be hiring 45,000 freshers. Tech Mahindra will be hiring 15,000 freshers, and HCL Technology will be hiring 22,000 in 2022 and 30,000 in FY 23. That means financial year 23. So friends, you can see now, so all these hirings will happen. Okay, but your upgradation, upskilling is required. Okay, so Indian technology firms are majority focusing on upskilling programs both in India and global markets, while TCS has leveraged multiple learning tools on ION learning platform, an initiative for reskilling its global workforce. 90% of the Infosys employees have learned through Lex, a platform that helped them reskill and upskill to meet the evolving requirement of the organization. So friends, in a simple words, if I wanted to say, so now if you're still unplaced, no need to worry. Okay, so if you have still problem with the placements, no need to worry. Okay, all the credible resources are telling that there'll be 4 lakhs 50,000 hirings will be there. So now what you have to do is you need to start your preparation from now itself. Okay, so aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, and coding ability. Okay, so these are the 4 major things which you need to go through that. So if you clear the written test, then interview will be very easy. Okay, so interview will be very easy. If you prepare well, then you will be able to clear. But the first round, the written test, will be the challenging one, and that's what you need to prepare from now. So if you're from non-IT background, then please focus on your coding. If you're from IT background, then focus on each and everything. See, non-IT anyway, in addition with other things, coding is very, very required, because IT people will be definitely be good at coding skills. So if you're from non-IT, you can go through all the news, all the links. Okay, I will be sharing all the links in the description, so you can go through that. Okay, so you can see everywhere 4.5 lakhs IT employees will be hired by TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL, but 19% will quit. Okay, so definitely, so one way it will be hiring, one way it will be people will be resigning also, like burn. And you people born and then people die, so same way. So here also you join and somebody resign, so all those things will be there. Okay, so more employment in second half, but in the first half of 2022 also hiring will be there. Okay, so you can go through all the news, and you can see on the Google is full of that. 7 days ago, 23rd of November, 7 days ago. So this is a confirmed news. Okay, and this news is coming from the credible resources. It's not from online study for you. Okay, so we have got it from the Google. Even you can get it. So this is a great news. So now you do not have to worry about that. Okay, now, and one more interesting things I'm going to tell you, friends. Can you believe a 20-year, okay, 20-year-old student is getting a package of 40 lakhs? Can you assume? So that the student is from middle class family, so you might not be able to hear the voice. Okay, because I have taken his voice, so I will be talking behalf of him. Okay, so a 20-year student is getting 40 lakhs rupees package, then why not you, me, or someone who is referring our channel, and someone if you know about the Reliable? Friends, it is possible. A middle class, you can see a guy who is from middle class, and that lady is her mom, and he has a father and a younger sister. Okay, so he is from a middle family, and his family is not, his father is an advocate, so he is not from a very big family. Okay, but 20-year candidate, 20-year student, and getting 40 lakhs package, it's really I would say like it's unbelievable, but it is true. Okay, it is true. He has a good knowledge of coding, he had the talent, and he was also not from the tier 1 colleges. Okay, so in spite of that, he is getting, see, if from IIT and NIT we can assume that okay, somebody can get it, but you can see his name is Tanishq. I will show you his profile as well, so you can see his Reliable profile. Okay, and you can also observe how you can get a package of 40 lakhs. Okay, so congratulations, Tanishq. So he has got selected at CRED. Okay, offered the role of backend engineer to Tanishq, who has scored 874 on the Reliable backend development test. Okay, so you can see 874 he has scored out of 1000. So friends, Reliable is a platform which is giving you opportunity, and all the big companies like Razorpay, right, CRED, so all the big companies, big MNCs, you will be seeing on Reliable, and they are ready to hire you if you showcase your talent. So you have to give only one exam. Okay, and you can see Tanishq, so he has interest in backend development. He wrote the exam, a Reliable test he wrote. He got 874 by 1000. Okay, so you can see his score details. So each and every details has been given here. Okay, so Bugs API. Okay, and what language he had selected. So all the information has given here. So I'll be sharing each and every details with you, so that you will be able to go through that. So this link will give you a idea, like in DSA. So DSA is very, very important, programming fundamentals. Okay, so all these things are very, very important. Okay, now friends, so if you write a Reliable test, okay, and friends, if you write a Reliable test and if you score very good, like you saw 874 marks Tanishq has got. Okay, now, so if you are at first, second, and third in the leaderboard, then you will be getting MacBook, iPhone, and many other things. So you can see Subham, he has got iPhone and he has scored well in the Reliable test. Okay, so we will be seeing like his happiness. So once he receive, see, he has received all the Reliable gifts, and now it's time to see iPhone. So he has got iPhone, right? You are able to see here, and now we will also see his happiness on his face. Okay, definitely. So he has scored well in the Reliable test, and he has got right iPhone, and there are students who has got MacBook also, right? So friends, it's very simple. So what you have to do is, okay, so as I said, the top companies are ready to hire you if you have the talent. Okay, so the companies like Razorpay, okay, Cred, LOAI, right? So all these companies are there here. Okay, now CureFit, Culfit, so all these companies you will be able to see now. So what you have to do is, so you just have to sign up or log in. You have to provide your mobile number and then OTP, then you have to continue, and then you have to fill your details for the admit card, and then you have to create the account. Okay, and then you can select business development, okay, or front end development or the back end development, so according to your choice, and then you can click on book your free slot. Okay, and then once you click on free slot, then you can see you can select your test date. All the tests will be happening in only one day, so you can select of your choice. Okay, and then you can see, so your admit card will be available. Okay, so you can select the date which is available. Okay, and that's how you will be able to apply for that. So friends, it's a great opportunity for all of you. Okay, so you can see there are you can see Tanik Singh, he has own MacBook. Okay, Atharva Reddy, he has own iPhone. Okay, and you can see Anindam Sarkar, he has own Apple Watch. Okay, so friends, this is possible being a 20 years old graduates. You will be still able to achieve, you will be still able to get a package of 40 lakhs. Okay, so you can see CureFit, Solion Babu has got selected in CureFit. Okay, Aya Mansuri has got selected in Yellow.ai. So opportunities are there, you just need to utilize it. Okay, and trust me, things are happening. If you have talent, irrespective of your college, irrespective of your resume, there are opportunities for you. You will be able to get a very good companies with reliable. Thank